Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create multiple folders by using Excel Worksheet. As you can see, I have a list of staff names and want to make a special folder for each person's name. Just type this formula correctly and with care. Now drag the formula to apply it on all the cells. After that, copy all the names. Open Notepad and put the names in there. Now, save the Notepad file with a name that ends in .bat. After that, find the folder where you saved the file, and then double-click on it. This will create folders with the names of the staff members. Now delete the .bat file. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any queries, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more useful tips and tutorials.